Hello everybody, and today I will be teaching you guys a feature in Excel. It is called conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is when if I type in any number in here, it will automatically match it to any number that is in here. Or for example, if I wanted to type in a name, it would automatically tell me what the student name is and it would highlight it for me. Okay, the way that you do this is that you highlight all of the data that you have. This is the data that I have. Okay, you go to conditional formatting, you press on new rule, and you press on use a formula to determine which cells to format. You press on that. Obviously, whenever we're starting a formula, we always put the equal sign, so add the equal sign. And the row and column that we want it to find is A2, and the way that we get it from is F2. So you want to first add F2, and you want to do equals to, and then A2. Now, A2 could be either A, the whole column, or the whole row, and F2 could be the whole column or the whole row. So, to make it more specific, we're going to lock the column or row. So, for example, in F2, I want to lock both of them, right? Because I only want the F and the 2, like this block right here. So I would lock both of them, right? So you would just press F4 and you would lock it. Now for A2, we only want the column. We don't want the row. So what you're going to do is lock the column. Press F4 once and it locks both of them. So you want to press it again and then press it the third time. So that then it only locks the column. Then you want to press Format and then press on any color that you like. So for example, we'll go with this type of color. Okay? Press OK. And here we go. Okay, now let's say for example I have like a really long spreadsheet and I want it to automatically find me what number I want. I'm looking for student ID 9004. I press enter and it already highlights it for me automatically. Now let's try another one. Let's see, it's 913. Enter and it automatically highlights it for me. That is how you use conditional formatting in Excel.